Changing the death sound in Roblox Studio is one of the most popular ways to customize your game experience. This process involves understanding Roblox's audio system and basic scripting concepts. The foundation of audio management in Roblox is the sound service. This system controls all audio playback, volume, and sound effects throughout your game. To use custom sounds, you need audio IDs, also called asset IDs. These unique identifiers tell Roblox which sound file to play. You can find these IDs in the URL of any audio asset on the Roblox website. When scripting sound changes, you have two main options: local scripts and server scripts. Local scripts run on each player's device and are perfect for personalizing individual experiences. Server scripts run on the game server and affect all players simultaneously. Scripts are typically placed in Starter Player, then Starter Player Scripts. This special folder automatically copies its contents to each player when they join your game, ensuring everyone gets the custom death sound. First, enter Play Mode in Roblox Studio. Navigate to the Players section and find your player, then go to Player Scripts to locate the RBX Character Sounds script. Stop the game and paste the copied script into Starter Player, then Starter Player Scripts. This ensures the script runs for all players when they join your game. Open the RBX Character Sounds script and locate the section for the died sound. You'll find the Sound ID property, which currently contains the default Death Sound ID. Replace the existing Sound ID with your desired Sound ID. Make sure to use the correct format, RBX Asset ID, followed by your Sounds ID number. For multiplayer games, consider whether you want other players to hear your custom death sound. A local script affects only the local player, while remote events can replicate sounds to all clients. Important: be mindful of copyright when using custom sounds. Only use sounds you have permission to use, or choose royalty-free audio to avoid potential takedown requests.